Do you want to build real wealth but don't know where to start? Well, chartered accountants and financial experts often point to 7 simple thumb rules that anyone can follow to move toward financial freedom. These are timeless principles, easy to understand, but powerful when applied. No one. The 50-30-20 rule of budgeting. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest the remaining 20%. Number 2, emergency fund rule. Always keep 6 months' worth of expenses saved in a liquid account. This is your financial safety net against job loss, medical emergencies, or sudden expenses. No. 3. Rule of 72. Want to know how fast your money will double? Divide 72 by the annual rate of return. For example, at 8% return, your money doubles in about 9 years. No for insurance coverage rule. Your life insurance should ideally be at least 10 to 15 times your annual income. This ensures your family is protected if something unexpected happens. No. 5. Retirement rule -100 minus age. For asset allocation, subtract your age from 100. That percentage should be invested in equities, while the rest should go into safer assets like bonds. No. 6. Loan EMI rule. All your MAs combined should not exceed 30 to 40% of your monthly income. Otherwise, debt will control your life instead of you controlling your wealth. No. 7. Savings rate rule. Save at least 20 to 30% of your income consistently. But if you want early financial freedom, aim for a 40 to 50% savings rate during your peak earning years. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about discipline, consistency, and following these proven financial thumb rules. So, which of these rules do you already follow, and which one do you want to start applying today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AI Wisdom Hub for more smart money insights.